Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set split screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, open settings in your phone. Then go to advanced features. Go to advanced features and go to multi-window, and here turn on the button against swipe for split screen. Okay, now click over swipe for split screen and here read the instruction. To change to split screen view, swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen in portrait view or from the side of the screen in the landscape view. Swipe behind to switch apps. Okay, so uh, to uh, to go to split screen, what you have to do is first to open any app. Here I open Google Play. Okay, then for split screen with two fingers, just swipe up like this and split screen will be opened. See here. Yes, screen is split into two parts. Okay, in the another part you can open another app. Okay, here I open Google Chrome. Okay, so this is called split screen. This is first area, this is second area. Okay, this is first window, this is second window, and if you want to adjust the split area, track like this and split area will be adjusted. Okay, suppose if you would like to get first part to the second part and second part to the first part, okay, click here and just click on this button, so split area will be reversed. Okay, if you would like to bookmark this this split, that is in the first part this Google Chrome is opened, in the second part Play Store is open. Okay, Google Chrome and Play Store is used at the split. Okay, so if you like to use this split for future reference, just click here and click on this star button and add app pair to home screen or apps edge panel. Okay, you can add this pair to the home screen or to edge panel. I have clicked home screen, so shortcut for this pair will be created in home screen and you can use it at any later stage. Okay, I gone to the home page and see here this is the combination of this split. Okay, if you click on it, this split will be directly opened. Okay, if you would like to turn off split, just you go to swipe down like this. See here, and yes, second part is now vanished and the first part is only available as a full screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a split screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.